we're already building the chicken coop where the chickens coop roost. So let me put these screws on.
So what I'm doing here is I'm just putting on the latch for the door so the dog won't be able to push it open. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put on this latch and see how it turns out. So right here, what we're making is a chicken nest box, so where the chickens can come and just lay their eggs. So I guess let's just get to finishing it up.
Is it leveled?
Yeah. Oh, let me see. Yeah, perfect. Just like that. Yep.
How's your chicken pond going?
Well, I mean the chickens don't use it, but
Well, neither. All right, so by the way you guys are standing there, it looks like you guys are done with your chicken coop.
yep, for no other chicken coop. So
You sure that fence right there, that door's gonna hold in a chicken?
Yeah, yes it is.
It looks like it could hold down a freaking giraffe or something like that. All right, well,
Yeah.
let's check out the fucking chicken coop. Okay, so where do we start?
I guess the chicken coop over here we just finished making. As you can see, I guess we have a chicken in there already.
You do not have a chicken in there.
Yeah, he's over there in the corner.
If you want to come over here,
Oh, what the fuck is going on? You guys made a stinking chicken door?
well, I mean now he's getting
Like
out.
an emergency chicken? Oh, okay, I see. What's that, for the eggs or what?
Yeah, so they can lay their eggs in there.
All right, I guess you do have a chicken in there.
And then we put a stick right there so they could just, I guess, fall asleep or.
Why don't you show us how the chickens are gonna sleep in the?
I'm not gonna.
I'm not.
No, okay.
I guess.
Oh, you're gonna show.
They just get on here and they sleep.
All right, you look like that. You look like some type of fucking flamenco, but okay. All right, let's go. What else do you got?
Oh, our chicken. Oh,
Well, they have their food right here in the little blue bin. So
we
we
have
just throw it in
our
there.
chicken pond over there. They don't even use it. It's mainly the little ducks.
What ducks?
Those little two ducks are right there.
Little ones right there.
Oh, okay, those.
Yeah.
Wait, let me zoom in because people are gonna miss. All right, got it. You got a chicken pond?
Yep. So everything is fenced. Chicken net all around. Pretty much done with this. And now we're just gonna wait and come and see if they lay their eggs in the chicken basket over there. Yeah. Alright. So we're pretty much done with our chicken coop. So guys, this took it was a long process and it was hard to build, but we got it done. Just thank you for all your support and like and subscribe.
Right? No. Get ready. Let's go.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay, all right. You want me to get out?
Yep.
All right.